so beautiful. Right now it's winter, the weather is so nice. Wow. But anyways, guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, just subscribe. Help me push this channel. I'm looking forward to more watch hours, so at least one day I can say like I've been monetized. And let me enjoy this journey together with you.
good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Papa Kells the Natty Pro on Instagram, but here on YouTube it's Kells Fitness Traveler. I do fitness and traveling vlogs each and every time. So we jump straight into ankle touches. Literally, the way it sounds, ankle touches. You wanna touch your ankles, reaching your ankles side to side. So let's jump into it. Sit on the mat. Okay, so here your hands, fingers, you wanna touch your ankle at last slow, controlled movements. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17. So hands on your quads, hands over your knees. 1, 2. Remember, your hands have to go over your knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You wanna push your hips back, bum should be up, nope, and you just feel your body streamline. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, don't give up. Let's go, we just started. You just started. I'll show you how you do it. So for instance, you're at home, you can lock them under your couch. You can call someone to hold your toes, or you can lock them somewhere. So we want to do crunches and we want to do them as much as you can. The point is trying to see how far your body can push. So we want to give it a try. Let's see how many we're going to do. So you don't want to hold your head, just place your hands next to your ears or hold your ears. 1. This helps you with the control. 2. All the way up. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.